In this world, how many people rush forward relentlessly, forgetting that the growth of all things is never a continuous upward climb. Tides rise and fall, the moon waxes and wanes. Life also needs its own rhythm. Taoism says, tension without relaxation. Even the most accomplished warriors cannot achieve relaxation without tension. Even the most accomplished warriors cannot accomplish. This means, too much tension will lead to breakage, too much relaxation will lead to ruin. True wisdom lies in knowing when to move forward and when to stop. Today, let's talk about, when you feel tired, rest. A balance of tension and relaxation makes life more fulfilling. Have you ever had moments like this? Clearly exhausted, yet forcing yourself to continue. Clearly mentally drained, yet still saying, I'll just persevere a little longer. There are 3 reasons why we are afraid to stop. 1. The pace of society is too fast, making us afraid to slow down. Everyone is running. If you stop, you're afraid of being left behind. But Taoism tells us, man follows the earth follows heaven follows the Tao, and the Tao follows nature. Nature is never in a hurry, yet nothing is impossible. 2. We are held hostage by effort anxiety. It seems that without effort, we don't deserve a future. But true effort isn't about pushing ourselves to the limit, but about maintaining sustainable vitality. 3. We see rest as failure. Rest is not retreat, but rather the accumulation of energy. A ball must be relaxed to shoot further. A person must relax to walk longer. Taoism emphasizes moderation, balance, and following the natural course. This doesn't encourage negativity, but rather tells us, anything, once it exceeds a certain degree, will have a negative effect. 1. Overwork harms the body. If you don't rest, your body will eventually force you to. This is the power of nature. 2. Excessive emotions harm the heart. Excessive anger, excessive resentment, excessive suppression, all cause us to lose our balance. 3. Overexertion can lead to losing direction. Often, the more we rush, the harder it is to see the path ahead. But stopping, taking a breath, reveals that the path was actually right in front of you. Have you noticed trees shed their leaves in winter not to die, but to prepare for growth next year? The ocean has tides, not chaos, but the rhythm of nature. You are the same. 1. When you're tired, allow yourself to rest. Even just a half-hour break, a cup of hot water, a walk, a quiet moment alone. This isn't a waste of time, but rather allowing your soul to catch up with your body. 2. When you're troubled, let your heart find peace. Turn off your phone, put down your social media. Let your heart be turned to its own place. When your heart calms down, the world becomes quieter. 3. When you hide, give yourself some time. Taoism says, great talents mature late. Life isn't about who's fastest, but about who's most stable. Every pause you take is an opportunity to re-establish yourself. Truly capable people understand the importance of relaxation. They don't lack effort, but rather, 心好心好 give your all when you work hard, and completely relax when you rest. 心好心好. A life with a balance of tension and relaxation possesses 3 strengths. 1. The power of clarity. Rest restores your judgment, preventing blind rushes. 2. The power of resilience. Relaxation cultivates inner strength, while tension generates power. Your life will be more resilient. 3. The power of choice. When you are not held hostage by anxiety, you can choose the path you truly want to take. Life isn't about constantly rushing forward, but about finding balance between tension and relaxation, and generating strength within that balance. Many people pursue a perfect life, but Taoism tells us, completeness is not perfection, but just right. Just right effort, just right rest, just right rhythm, just right life. A fulfilling life is not without flaws, but rather fluid, natural, and free. Like water, seemingly salt, it can penetrate stone, carry boats, and nourish all things. Because it understands how to flow with the current. It understands moderation. So, if you've been feeling tired lately, please remember this simple yet powerful thing. Rest when you're tired. A balance between work and rest makes life more fulfilling. You don't need to constantly push yourself, nor do you need to be someone who never allows themselves to stop. Moderate relaxation, timely pauses, a rhythm that suits you, is the most beautiful way to live. Life isn't about rushing to a destination, but about breathing, feeling, and learning along the way. May you stop when you're weary, recharge when you stop, and start anew after recharging. May you walk with ease, live with clarity, with a balance between work and rest, and with complete contentment and composure.